Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here. Today I'm going to be doing a sweater try-on haul. These are all thrifted sweaters that I've recently purchased, and I'm just going to try them all on with this basic black dress and possibly changing out the boots. But if you're interested in seeing how some of these sweaters look, then I hope you keep watching, and just hoping that this provides a little bit of inspiration of what you can find at the thrift store. A lot of times if you're looking up sweaters and you're trying to make a purchase online or in a regular department store, you're not going to find a lot of these styles because they're unique pieces, and you will almost always find something odd, unusual, unique at the thrift store. So Goodwill, Salvation Army, consignment shops, any kind of secondhand shops where clothes are in abundance, you will find sweaters like this. So I just want to share what I found, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.